Yo, what's going on guys? Kaale here, back in with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I have this super easy meta trick for you. I think it scores like 2 or 3 clicks, which isn't too bad for how easy it is. So anyway, yeah, here's what it looks like from my perspective. So yeah, that's the trick. 2 things before I get into this video. I'm going to be using the Edge Beyond for this tutorial, the one that came in that like Yo-Yo Factory pack. And this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK. So you can go ahead and use code Kieran5 for 5% off any of their products. Okay, sweet, let's get into this tutorial. So to start this trick off, you need to get into basically any reverse green triangle that pops from the front, this being the easiest, so I'll teach it to you now. Here's how to do the trick. So you're going to start off by landing in a trapeze. Then you're going to open up this like trapeze loop into what is essentially a submount. And then pinch with your index finger and thumb on your non-throw hand. From here you're going to drop the slack off the front of the yo-yo, like so. And then move it around, making sure to get it into the back of the yo-yo. From here, you're just going to uncross your arms, cross your arms, and you should be in a reverse green triangle like that. I'm sure there are plenty of tutorials for this trick if you need more explanation. So anyway, from that green triangle, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your hand into the actual like loop of the triangle and grab the string just above where that notch is for the triangle to form. From here you're going to roll out, right, so your arms should now be uncrossed and you should have the triangle like in your hand, and then you're going to roll inside and then land on that string when it comes back out like so. Okay. You're going to pinch with your index finger and thumb on your throw hand and perform a suicide, letting go with your non-throw hand and then catching again with your non-throw hand. If you do it correctly, you should land in a loop like this. This is actually a repeater, you can do this as many times as you want. From here, you're just going to pop the yo-yo up onto that front or onto the top string and let go of everything on your non-throw hand, and then you should just be in a mount that would look something like this. From here you can do any other trick, or you could just bind. But yeah, that's the whole trick. I'll go over it one more time and then you can be on your merry way. So you're going to do a reverse green triangle, grab just above the green triangle notch, roll out, into out, and suicide, repeat if you want, then just pop up and let go, and then you're free to bind. Sweet, that's the whole trick. If you have any comments or questions about it, just leave them in the comments below, or you can message me on Kieran on Instagram. Otherwise, yeah, peace.